How's it, guys? Welcome to a very beautiful Thursday. We are working outside today in the nice weather, and we're gonna do some really exciting things. This area right here behind me, we are prepping. Hi, Chanel. We are prepping for potatoes. We got the most incredible package a couple of days ago. A gift of seeds and some beautiful purple seed potatoes. So we have to prep an area for the potatoes because they are definitely ready to be planted. So we've prepped an area, cleared an area actually. We're just using the soil that exists. We're just trying to clear some greenery. But before we can plant, there is a big elderberry tree that is blocking all of the morning sun. It's actually two elderberry trees that have been cut down before. Now these are classified, sorry for my finger, these are classified as invasives in South Africa, but they have a lot of medicinal benefits. So our plan is to cut them down for now, and then potentially allow some regrowth that we can manage, because right now with them being so tall, we can't harvest any of the berries, which allows them to spread via birds and all of that. So if we can cut them down, then we can manage them properly and actually use them to our advantage. So that is the plan. We're going to use our chainsaw. Thank you, Anita and BJ.
It's its first big job.
It really is. We're very excited to see how this goes. And then this area will be in beautiful sunshine and we can plant our potatoes. As you can see, it's a lot of mulch. So we're hoping for the best. I should probably get out of the way. Kajari, come. Yay! Beautiful.
Jeez, like it's so cool.
It's so quiet. I
Do
can't.
it like
It's
butter.
insane.
Just need to tighten the chain.
It sounds like nothing. That was very impressive.
Cool. So I just need to do a bit of adjusting.
So that was easy. It took all of maybe 15 minutes with this chainsaw, and it still has half of its battery power left. So now we are just going to clear and chop up a bunch of the branches so that they're more manageable. So far we're pretty happy with the chainsaw, hey? It's quite impressive. I even used it to cut down a branch.
Come, let's see what Mum's doing.
Hi.
Hi. How's it going? It's looking really cool. Wow. Potato bed for the win. So, just so you guys know, there's a lot more that's gone into this than just cutting some trees down. Because we've been doing a lot of prepping to make sure the bed is good to keep lots of potatoes.
Mostly clearing these stupid thorny things that we have no idea what they are. These guys.
The ones that burn you.
And we still don't know what they are. They're not the same as bramble because the thorns are tiny and hair-like. The leaves are much smaller. And the root system looks like this. So, and they're everywhere. I mean, yeah, they're everywhere.
They've done the number on both of us, and I think Gajari as well.
Yeah, I think so. But this is a good start. It's coming. We have to plant around. These were two big old blackwoods. We're gonna have to plant around them, but that's still tons of space.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Are we gonna stick to one area and then see how far we get?
Yeah, because if we've got some bonus extra space, then we can put something else in. So I'm just gonna...
Oh, this is awesome, though. Oh, it's so soft.
I'm just gonna put them on top, just to see, because we can't go too far up. So can you see this line here? Yeah. That's about our limit. Okay, let's see. I just want to see how many we have actually. We've never had the luxury of growing potatoes in enough space. We're always crowded. Ow! These things are spiky. Not the potatoes, the shoo-shoo.
Chayote.
This one doesn't really.
It fell off.
Yes, these guys are more than ready to go in the ground. I'm so excited. There you go.
This is a seed potato.
This is in fact a seed potato, a purple one. These guys are definitely ready to plant. They're almost too far, which is a good reason for us to be planting them today. Very exciting. You can plant it. I will put it and you can plant it. I mean, I say we're gonna have so much space. Let's cover them completely.
Cover completely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like that?
Yes. Perfect.
This I can do.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Put me over there. Then a spade. Yeah, me too.
You can't feel it.
Yeah. I'm gonna step in here. Nobody shout at me for stepping in my garden bed. It's necessary right now.
No one's gonna shout at you. Except you.
Okay, cool. So now you have... What's the matter, Kajari?
Come here. Joy, come. Come here. What's it?
Why is she moaning?
I don't know. Come. Come here. Come look what they're doing. Hey? It's okay, sweetheart. It's a good girl. Hey, what's the matter? Hey, poopy face. Hey, poop eye face. Hey. I can see in the shade that my hair, or in the shadow that my hair looks amazing.
It does. It does look amazing.
On point today. On point, hey, Kajari.
I'm putting this thing here to see where it ends. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see that?
Can't see that.
Oh, the soil is so beautiful.
So I did just throw stuff here. Are you okay with them being planted there where they were thrown?
Yes. Yes, I am. Hello, baby girl. Don't go in my garden bed, see? You stay out. Stay out of the garden bed. Because we don't run in Mom's garden. Okay, let's come lie here. Yeah, no, not on top of me. Here, Kajari, this side. This side. You lie down there. Can you lie down?
Yeah, sit on your lap.
Kajari, lie down. Lie down. That's a good girl. That's a very good girl. Then you can garden with us, okay? No, but you can't help me plant. Oh my angel. This is adults only.
She's only
No,
adults.
no, out. That's it. That's it. Lie down. You lie down. You don't go in the garden. See, you lie down here. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. And then I can even give you the tummy rubs that you want. You see? That's why we don't go in the garden. Yes, I'm rubbing your tummy. There you go. I think we have officially planted our first potatoes on our plot, our home garden.
First potatoes at our own home.
First potato.
First potatoes.
Yay! We did it.
If you guys want to have a laugh, go back on our videos.
All the way to the beginning.
I think it was the first one we ever posted.
It might have been.
Was it on Instagram or was it only?
Oh, I don't know if we had it on YouTube. It might have only been on Instagram.
Might have been on Instagram. I think it's the first video we ever posted. Check it out. And then while you're at it, go check out everything else we've ever posted. Be sure to like everything too.
Yay! Okay, so we have a gap.
Okay, potato bed.
No. Ah, good girl. There's a good girl. You know what I want to put here?
No.
Those dahlia tubers. It's not in the bed, see? You gonna babysit? I'm gonna go fetch them.
No, she's gonna come with you.
She's gonna come with me, okay. That's my dog.
That's my dog. She's a good girl. So just to give you guys an idea, while we're here alone, just the two of us, look at this. Look at this. It's just so soft and so fluffy and just so, can you see this? It's amazing. Amazing. And the deeper you go, the more broken down materials there are. So it's the perfect, in our opinion, the perfect place to plant some potatoes. Oh, we didn't save some for an experiment.
Oh dear.
Oh well, they'll just have to grow here.
We could plant some of our potatoes.
We don't have that many there.
No, but we could
I
plant
suppose,
some.
yeah, we could put like two in there.
So these dahlia tubers we also got in the same package as our potatoes that we just planted. They're huge. And what it says is, these are supposed to be edible. Aha, that would be cool.
Did not know that.
I've not tried, but some are not good tuber producers. Oh, I didn't know dahlia tubers were edible. This one makes lovely purple and white flowers and very big tubers. So we should cultivate them as potatoes. Okay.
Cool, keen to just do a little bit of research on that,
That is interesting.
on eating, so that we're not spreading false information. So do your own research.
Yeah. Either way,
That's
I
quite
love
long.
dahlias,
Yeah.
and these are one. I love flowers in general, but these are some of my favorites. So we're gonna plant them, and from what I don't know which way is down. Is that a root? I think these are roots, so I think they go this way.
I don't know, don't ask me. Maybe put them sideways, then they'll...
And they'll do their
And
own
they'll
thing.
figure it out,
That's
yeah.
a safe bet. Okay, let's do that. So you go one there, one there, one there. Planting like a professional.
Professional. You can't say professional without saying professional.
Chanel. Planting like a Chanel. I can go at the back because the back is an old tree, so I can stand here. Then no one will shout.
How deep should they go?
Fairly deep. Fairly deep. So more than completely covered. So like down there. That's as far as I can go in this soil. There you are. There's one. And here's two. Okay. I'm just gonna put this green leaf over there where I planted that one. Because and put a green leaf here where you planted this one. Okay. Because I want to bring those snowdrop things that
Put them in between.
I want to put them
Around the edge.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's,
It's going to look pretty.
let's make some beauty.
Go fetch it.
I'm gonna.
Go get it. Go. Where's Dory?
I think she's there at the fence. Yeah.
We're waiting for you.
You coming? Say peace to Mom. Come on. Oh, no, don't eat it. I don't trust you in eating things.
Don't tell her we must bring it to me and then she's not allowed to touch it. Huh? How rude.
Just want to make sure we can all still see everybody.
Could we see me still?
Huh? Yeah. I just want to see more of you. Because it's so beautiful. So, these are called snowdrops. For those who don't know, they make
snowdrops.
They make these beautiful, beautiful flowers. And I love flowers. And that is a big goal for me in this garden, is lots and lots of flowers. So we're going to plant these as an edge. But then I think we should probably cut the greens off because I don't know if they will make it. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I'll put some there and you can grab some.
Thanks. Jerry, come. Can I start here on this?
Yes.
And then I'm going to follow a line.
Yeah, you're going to just follow the edge of the bed.
Some roots here.
Yeah, there are some serious roots. Wait, why are you calling me? I'm standing right there. Duh.
Come here. This way. That's a good girl.
That's it.
That's a good girl. Where's my dog? Where's my dog? Nice and close to each other.
Yeah.
You're having a nice day. Look at her.
Oh my goodness.
Don't bite me, you. I think I need a spade. I'm struggling to get into the ground here. Eating a nice stick, my girl. Yo, these roots, eh?
This ground is insane.
Oh, I'm talking about the bulbs.
Oh, the bulb roots.
Look at it.
Yeah. No, but they do come from the best garden in the world. Thank you, Estelle, for our snowdrops.
Thanks, Estelle. You legend. She's always just sneaky being awesome. She's always being sneaky about being awesome. We need to make sure we meet each other.
Yeah, if we don't, it's cool. I don't think I'm getting near deep enough, so it's okay.
How is that okay? If we're both failing, how is that okay?
Because we're going to be building so much soil that we'll be able to top dress these with tons of soil, and we'll just bury them to the correct depth. So that's why it's okay.
We're going to be exact. There's space for one more.
Yeah. I've just been planting mine so that they flop out.
Oh, mine are going inwards.
Somehow we are always opposites, isn't it funny?
Well, opposites attract, did you know?
I didn't.
Did you know opposites attract? Yeah. What? What's wrong with it? It's normal.
Yay! We did it!
It's my everyday voice.
This is gonna be such a kick-ass garden bed.
Yeah, I did it. I'm going out now. That's a good girl, Kajari.
Don't go in my bed. Grab the spade. We are gonna have to watch her like a hawk for this garden bed.
She's learning about boundaries.
Yeah.
Hence her interaction with electric fences yesterday.
So I want to show you guys this incredible space. Now that the elderberry trees have come down, this looks completely different. And all I see is a massive lush garden in the future. Basically as green as it is now, but all edible.
All eaten.
I'm gonna walk into the shade so you can see all the greenery on this side too.
Excuse the trash, we're gonna...
Yeah, hey, this property is covered in trash and it's actually quite intense. We're trying to clean up as we go along. So, look at all of this. Now for this year, we're actually not planning to grow a lot of our stuff this side. Or we hadn't planned to. We'll see if we get to it. But in future years, I think that this will turn into potentially our main garden. Now, what I want to know from everybody who's watching this is what would you do in this situation with all of this greenery? How would you turn this into vegetable gardens? What would be your method? If you've seen our latest video, you'll know that we are planning to get chickens in the future for the purpose of building compost, making compost so that we can use it to build up our soil. But that won't happen for a while.
But we also have many other ways of doing that, so that's not an issue.
Yeah.
We can get more.
Yeah.
We can get more of that, which we also got from some awesome local friendlies.
Yeah, we've got a small heap of horse manure and a small pile of compost that we were gifted. Obviously, there are tons of methods to starting gardens. You could tarp an area, you could cardboard an area and add compost on top of it. We don't have tons of compost to access right now. But I'd be interested to know, we'd be interested to know what you guys would do if you were presented with a space like this, a blank canvas.
Zari will have a wee, and that's what she would do.
Urine is a great compost activator. It's full of nitrogen. It's a great thing for your garden.
Facts.
That is a fact, yes. So that is us for this afternoon.
I didn't realize I looked so good.
You look amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for joining us on this endeavor in starting our first garden bed.
Dirty hands.
And we will see you. Mine are not so dirty. You have to see them really close to see that they're dirty. We will see you guys on the next video.
On the flip-flop.